Welcome to the country. We're just watching all the turkey. And there goes the baby deer running up in the woods.
Mama deer.
There goes mama deer. She's trying to protect her baby from them mean old turkeys. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 turkeys up there. And there goes mama and the baby. Yeah, y'all come back around when it's season. I got a deep fryer with your name on it. We come out on the front porch and they're going to go back up toward the top of the hill. They're loving this wet weather and all that fresh grass up there.